If your caption looks static and boring, this flicker effect is going to make them pop like a professional motion graphics. In this quick tutorial, I will teach you how to make this cool flicker effect. So come to the Premiere Pro and here just drop some random text on the video, and from here, so I already have this created before, so I will just drop my preset. So from here I have the flicker effect. I will just click here and drag and drop. So if I show you how it looks something like this. Now if you don't know how to make it, I will tell you how to make it from scratch. So here what you need to do is hit P on your keyboard. This will activate the pen tool, and from here you just need to mark some points on this opacity line. So from here we will mark certain points, like I will mark like 5 to 6 of them, and again hit V for the selection tool, and now you need to zoom out. You need to make sure this point are very close enough, so bring them close enough and make them in a form of a graph, like one up down and everything like that. So it will look like the opacity is going from 100, then it is going to 50, and then 100 and something like that. So it is a continuous pick and drop effect. So bring everything close enough. Yeah, and we are done. Now let's see how it looks. As you can see, it is flickering. So here you have your own flicker effect. So if you like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, see you. Bye bye. Thank you.